Hello and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. In this video, I will introduce to you the Hermannplatz game. The Hermannplatz game is a discussion panel of a city which will allow you to discuss and challenge gender roles and stereotypes with your target group. Now, what do you need to play this discussion game? The only thing that you will need is the Hermannplatz board game and a discussion panel to attach the panel to. For some assignments of this game, you might also need some chalk. Now, let us have a look how to play the game. First, you will gather the children in front of the discussion panel so they can observe all the different situations that they see. The street educator then can ask questions like, what do you see? Or what is the relationship between different people on the panels? Like the one you see over here, you see two people sitting over here on the square. Maybe they are father and son that are discussing challenges that they might face in daily life. You can also add another task to the panel, like for example, you draw a text balloon below the panel or next to the panel, and you ask one of the children to write a sentence in the text balloon. For example, one child might write, go to your room. Then the other children, they need to look at the panel and they need to find a person who could be saying this sentence. We're going to observe the panel and maybe we find someone over here. It's a father that's yelling to his kid over here. Maybe he might be the one that is saying that sentence. You can also do it the other way around, that you ask the children to find a situation on the panel and that they need to come up with a sentence that person is saying in that specific interaction. You can also use this Hermannplatz panel to start up a discussion on gender roles and stereotypes by asking questions such as how can you define the gender of a specific person, or what are typical roles for men and for women. We'll pick a situation over here. For example, this woman walking with his baby. Is that something that's typical for men or is it something that's typical for women? And then the group can discuss and give their viewpoint on that specific situation. Another task you can give to the children is to ask them the question if they can recognize certain situations that they see on the panel in their daily life. If they recognize a specific situation, you can ask them to take a picture of that situation and to bring it with them the next time they come to the mobile school. So you can make the panel come alive. Of course, like with any other discussion panel on the mobile school, you can do a wide variety of different activities, like including the mirror panel, doing some creative storytelling activities, make a song, and many more. So you can use this discussion panel as a regular discussion panel you use on the mobile school. So you're right now ready to use the Hermannplatz panel on the mobile school. Keep up the great work on the streets, and we hope to see you again very soon.